Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going down to Ricketts Point Marine Sanctuary. I haven't been here for a year and a half. Hopefully I'll be able to take some bird shots. So let's go. Those are not even cormorants. What are they? Albatross, I think. Phew, can you smell this? Jesus, what's this shit? Intertidal tails. Life in the intertidal zone can be tough. At high tide, the rock pools are battered with waves. At low tide, they are exposed to heat, drought, and predation by birds and people. We've got elephant snails here, blue-ringed octopus. Oh my god. Marine spider, sea stars. Alrighty. I'm gonna set up the tripod and we'll try to take some videos as well. I can see some birds just over there. I'm just gonna get a little bit closer to the action. Oh, I really love this reflection here. So beautiful. The beacon is right there. I don't want to get too close because they might get scared. First things first, I'm gonna tie my shoelaces. The light is so beautiful and soft. It's not as cold as I thought it would be. Luckily there isn't much wind at all. Take my camera out. Put the microphone on as well. Let's turn this around. First I'm going to start with a few videos. Just adjusting the exposure. Stabilizer off. I got the first white shot. The tern just flew in. That looks so cool. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. I decided to reframe the shot because the horizon was not even. This is such a beautiful morning here. The light is absolutely amazing. Lucky there is low tide this morning, so I could come out almost right to the edge of the intertidal zone. There's so many terns there. They're beautiful. Now I'm gonna start taking some stills. The light is absolutely amazing, quite strong at the moment, so I can lower the ISO and use relatively high shutter speed. I'm gonna start at 2,500th of a second or maybe 3,200th of a second. I'm gonna be shooting at f7.1, ISO 800 I think, ISO 640 maybe. They're a little bit too far away. I'm trying not to get too close to them because I think they're gonna get scared then. I'm gonna try and take some more videos. A few little pied cormorants just flew in. The plumage is not water repellent, so They have to extend their wings. There's a pretty big seagull that is right now obliterating a rather large fish. I really like that the reflection can be seen. And a crow just arrived. Ooh, scared it away. I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer to this seagull. There are only a few cormorants left. The terns have gone already. I can see some grapes on that side, so I might as well move to the right side a little bit. Getting so warm now. I'm gonna try and get a little bit closer to these little pied cormorants. Such a bummer that the terns have left already. I was hoping to get a little bit closer to them, but there are a few on the other side, a little bit too far away. They're not too scared, luckily. I'm gonna go to my last location. I spotted a whole flock of terns, little terns, and hopefully I'll be able to capture a couple of in-flight shots as they come in. Gotta be a little bit careful here because the water is a little bit higher. It's a little bit dicey, but I'm getting there. Look, there they are. I'm so glad that I decided to come to this side of the intertidal zone. As you can see, there are at least 50 little terns just chilling over there. Also, I got really lucky because some of them were just flying in, so I managed to take a couple of in-flight shots as well. I hope you enjoyed this little bird photography session down at Ricketts Point Marine Sanctuary. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you guys very soon in the next one.